尺腳，方可進入前面範圍。佢踏的深度上半方可能
才可下水游泳。游泳人士可在泳衣外多穿一件清洁的白色 T 恤，以防御紫外线。谢谢合作。
May I have your attention, please? Take good care of your personal belongings. Keep the swimming pool clean. Smoking, eating, drinking, littering or spitting is not allowed in the pool area. Offenders may be prosecuted and even expelled from the pool. Walk through the water curtain and the footbath before entering the pool deck area. People accompanying children under the age of 12 or minders of swimmers with disabilities must change into clean slippers or be barefoot before entering the pool deck area. Swimmers must wear a swimming suit before going into the pool water. To protect against UV radiation, swimmers may wear a clean white t-shirt on top of the swimming suit. Thank you for your cooperation.
各位泳客請注意，為自己及他人着想，患有呼吸道疾病嘅人士，請勿進入公眾游泳池範圍。為確保池水符合衛生署建議嘅標準，喺開放時間內，我哋會每小時化驗池水。此外，我哋亦增加咗清洗同消毒游泳池設施嘅次數。
各位游泳人士請注意，為您跟其他人設想，患有呼吸道疾病的人士，請不要進入公眾游泳池範圍。為確保池水符合衛生署建議的標準，在開放時間內，我們會每小時化驗池水。此外，我們也增加了清洗和消毒游泳池設施的次數。
May I have your attention, please? Please be considerate. Do not enter the pool area if you are suffering from respiratory tract infections. During the operational hours of this swimming pool, water quality examinations would be conducted hourly to ensure that the standards recommended by the health department are met. Moreover, the frequency of cleansing and disinfecting the pool facilities has also been increased.
游泳人士請注意，暢泳前請先在更衣室的淋浴間內沖身，才進入泳池游泳。多謝合作。
游泳人士請注意，游泳之前，請先在更衣室的淋浴間內穿身，然後進入游泳池游泳。謝謝合作。
May I have your attention, please? Please take a shower in the shower compartment of the changing room before swimming. Thank you for your cooperation.
各位泳客請注意，今次的循環泳池只會為19位泳客持續來回游泳池使用。有關循環泳線的規則如下：一、使用循環泳線之前，應先觀察同估計其他泳客嘅速度，以免妨礙他人。